Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for sophisticated outdoor enhancements. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're focusing on a subtle yet profoundly impactful element in landscape design: stone garden edging. While seemingly simple, the right garden edging can transform an ordinary garden bed into a meticulously manicured masterpiece, providing structure, defining spaces, and adding a timeless aesthetic appeal. If you've ever wondered how to achieve that polished, professional look in your garden, or how to truly separate your vibrant flower beds from your pristine lawn, then this episode is perfectly crafted for you. We will delve into the true meaning behind these essential design features, uncover the myriad benefits they offer, and provide expert guidance on how to decorate and enhance your stone garden edging to achieve both stunning visual appeal and supreme functionality. Let's begin by defining what stone garden edging design truly means. At its core, stone garden edging refers to the use of various types of stone materials, from natural river rocks and irregular boulders to cut flagstone, pavers, and stacked wall stones, to create a defined boundary or border around garden beds, pathways, or specific landscape features. It acts as a deliberate division between different areas of your garden, providing both practical benefits and significant aesthetic enhancement. In essence, stone garden edging design is about using nature's own robust and beautiful materials to sculpt and organize your outdoor spaces, bringing clarity, beauty, and a sense of timeless craftsmanship to your garden landscape. Incorporating stone garden edging into your landscape offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics, significantly improving the functionality, maintenance, and overall appeal of your outdoor space. Firstly, a primary advantage is superior boundary definition and neatness. Stone edging creates a clear and crisp line between your garden beds and other areas like lawns or pathways. This prevents grass from encroaching into your flower beds and keeps mulch, soil, or gravel neatly contained, giving your garden a much more organized and polished appearance. Secondly, stone edging provides enhanced structural support and prevents erosion. For raised garden beds or slopes, stacked stone edging can act as a mini retaining wall, holding back soil and preventing erosion, especially during heavy rains. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your garden beds and preventing soil runoff. Thirdly, stone offers exceptional durability and low maintenance. Unlike other materials that may degrade over time due to weather exposure or rot, stone is incredibly long-lasting and requires minimal upkeep. Once installed correctly, it will stand the test of time, reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Fourthly, it significantly boosts aesthetic appeal and property value. Stone edging introduces natural texture, color, and a sense of timeless elegance to your garden. It can transform a basic garden bed into a feature, elevating the overall design of your landscape and contributing positively to your home's curb appeal, which can increase its market value. Finally, stone garden edging offers versatility in design and integration. From rustic river stones that blend seamlessly with naturalistic gardens to sleek, cut stone pavers that define modern landscapes, there's a stone type and design to suit every garden style. This versatility allows for creative expression, enabling you to craft unique borders that complement your home's architecture and personal taste, while also providing a stable edge for mowing or walking along. Decorating your stone garden edging to achieve a truly beautiful and harmonious look involves thoughtful integration of plants, lighting, and complementary materials, ensuring the edging enhances, rather than just borders, your garden. Firstly, choose stone that complements your home's architecture and existing hardscape. The type, color, and texture of the stone should resonate with the materials already present in your house, patio, or pathways. For instance, if you have a modern home, sleek-cut stone or dark river rocks might be ideal. For a more traditional or rustic look, consider natural boulders or rough-hewn flagstone. Consistency in material choice creates a cohesive and elegant design. Next, layer plants strategically around and within the edging. For low edging, allow some creeping or trailing plants to gently cascade over the stones, softening the hard lines and blending the border with the garden bed. For raised beds or walls, plant a mix of cascading foliage and upright plants to create depth and visual interest. Consider plants with contrasting textures and colors that highlight the stone, rather than hide it. Succulents and ornamental grasses often pair wonderfully with natural stone. Finally, add decorative elements sparingly to enhance, not clutter. This could include a few well-placed decorative rocks, a small outdoor sculpture that complements the stone, or even a small water feature that incorporates the same stone material. The goal is to use these elements to draw the eye and add personality without detracting from the natural beauty of the stone and plants. By focusing on harmonious material choices, thoughtful planting, subtle lighting, and selective decorative accents, your stone garden edging will become a captivating design feature in its own right. Selecting the right plants for stone garden edging is crucial for enhancing its beauty, softening its lines, and ensuring the garden looks cohesive and vibrant. The best plants will complement the stone, thrive in their specific location, and contribute to the overall aesthetic. Here are some top choices. 1. Creeping thyme, Thymus serpyllum, low-growing, fragrant, and tolerant of light foot traffic, perfect for spilling over stone edges. 2. Sedum, various low-growing varieties, drought-tolerant succulents that form attractive mats, ideal for sunny, rocky areas. 3. Alyssum, Lobularia maritima delicate, fragrant annuals that create a carpet of tiny flowers, great for seasonal color. 4. Periwinkle, Vinca minor, a tough evergreen ground cover with small blue flowers, good for shaded areas. 5. Mondo grass, Ophiopogon japonicus, dark green, fine-textured grass that forms neat clumps, excellent for formal or modern edging. 6. Blue fescue, Festica glauca compact, clumping grass with striking blue-gray foliage, perfect for adding color contrast. 7. Lavender, Lavandula, fragrant, drought-tolerant, and provides beautiful purple blooms, attracting pollinators. 8. Agave, various dwarf varieties, architectural form and striking rosettes, ideal for contemporary stone designs. 9. Echeveria, beautiful rosette-forming succulents, perfect for filling crevices or small pockets in stone features. 10. Maidenhair fern, Adiantum spp, delicate, airy foliage, ideal for softening stone in damp, shaded areas. When selecting plants, consider the amount of sunlight your edging receives, your soil type, and your local climate. Aim for a mix of textures, heights, and seasonal interest to ensure your stone garden edging always looks vibrant and beautiful. Now let's explore 10 outstanding stone garden edging design ideas, each demonstrating a unique way to utilize natural stone to create stunning, functional, and beautifully defined garden spaces. One. Minimalist concrete slab pathway edging with gravel. This modern design uses large, rectangular concrete slabs laid with precision, creating a clean and structured pathway. The spaces between the slabs are filled with small gravel, providing a permeable surface that contrasts with the smooth concrete. This minimalist approach defines the walkway while allowing plants to grow freely around the edges, creating a contemporary and low-maintenance aesthetic. 2. Tiered stone edging with mixed gravel and paver steps. This garden incorporates a multi-level stone edging system that defines different planting zones and also serves as a subtle retaining wall for a sloped area. The design cleverly integrates a mix of small gravel paths and larger square pavers as stepping stones, leading to a higher garden bed. Low-lying plants and grasses are strategically placed to soften the hard edges of the stone, creating an inviting and textural landscape. 3. Natural rock garden edging with cascading water feature. This enchanting design utilizes naturally shaped, medium to large boulders and rocks to create a rugged yet beautiful edge for a garden bed, which also features a gentle cascading waterfall. The varying sizes and earthy tones of the stones blend seamlessly with the surrounding lush foliage and flowering plants. This style evokes a serene, naturalistic landscape, inviting contemplation and tranquility. 4. Irregular flagstone path edging with mixed plantings. Here, irregular flagstones are used to create a meandering pathway, with their natural shapes defining the edges of the planting beds. The gaps between the flagstones are filled with gravel, allowing for drainage and a soft transition to the garden. Accent lighting along the path highlights the stone textures and surrounding ferns, creating a magical ambience for evening strolls. This design is perfect for a lush, cottage-style garden. 5. Dry stack stone wall edging for raised garden bed. This elegant solution showcases a meticulously dry stack stone wall, forming a substantial raised garden bed that defines a cozy seating area. The various sizes and irregular shapes of the stones are artfully arranged, creating a strong yet natural border. The integrated lighting within the base of the seating area casts a warm glow, highlighting the texture of the stone wall and providing a beautiful backdrop for evening relaxation. 6. Modern concrete block and gravel edging with water feature. This contemporary garden features clean geometric lines achieved with large, smooth concrete blocks and crisp gravel pathways. The bold, dark wood fence provides a striking backdrop, while a narrow vertical water feature spills into a basin framed by succulents and a large, natural boulder. This design emphasizes modern minimalism, contrasting textures, and the calming presence of water, creating a sophisticated outdoor retreat. 7. Sculptural concrete edging with integrated water spillways. This striking design uses a low, sculptural concrete wall as garden edging, featuring multiple integrated water spillways that create a serene cascade into a bed of polished river stones. A built-in wooden bench provides a contemporary seating solution, while a minimalist fire pit adds warmth. The clean lines of the concrete contrast beautifully with the organic textures of the stones and plants, making a bold modern statement. 8. Organic boulder edging for a natural landscape. This expansive landscape utilizes large, irregularly shaped boulders to create a natural, flowing border for garden beds and pathways. The stones vary in size and color, blending seamlessly with the surrounding gravel and the naturalistic plantings of ornamental grasses and native shrubs. This design evokes a sense of wild beauty and harmony with the environment, perfect for a low-maintenance, ecologically inspired garden. 9. Modern tiered planters with wooden slats and stone accents. This sophisticated design features a multi-tiered planting system defined by elegant wooden slats, which can be seen along the side of the pool. The base of these planters often incorporates stone or gravel, creating a clean, modern edge. Low-lying succulents and vibrant lavender add bursts of color and texture, complementing the sleek lines of the contemporary outdoor living space and pool area. 10. Pebble and boulder ground cover with architectural plants. This unique design uses a substantial layer of smooth river pebbles as ground cover, creating a clean and contemporary base for the garden. Larger, rounded boulders are strategically placed as focal points, acting as natural edging for clusters of architectural plants like agave and blue fescue. This low-maintenance, textural design is perfect for modern gardens seeking a serene, minimalist aesthetic. As we wrap up our exploration of stone garden edging designs, it's clear that these seemingly small details play an enormous role in defining the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of natural boulders or the sleek sophistication of cut stone, the right edging can elevate your garden from ordinary to extraordinary, creating a landscape that is both organized and artistically defined. If you found these small vegetable garden ideas inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips, tricks, and beautiful garden inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'd love to hear about your small garden adventures in the comments below. What are you growing? What are your favorite space-saving tips? Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.